we guide you through how to transfer money from Stripe to bank account. So first, log into your Stripe dashboard on your computer or phone and make sure your account is fully verified because payouts will not work without identity and bank verification. Next, go to balance or payout section where you can see your available funds ready for withdrawal. After that, click Payout Funds or Transfer to Bank. Then select the bank account you already linked or add a new one by entering your correct account number, bank name, and account holder details. Once selected, enter the amount you want to transfer, making sure it does not exceed your available balance. Choose your payout speed if available, such as a standard payout or instant payout depending on your country and Stripe support. Then, review all the details carefully to avoid errors, especially the bank information, and click Confirm or Submit. After that, Stripe will process your payout and you can track its status in the Payout History section until it shows completed, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days for standard transfers. So that's it.